Witam serdecznie Państwa z Port-au-Prince, stolicy Haiti. Jest obok mnie Claudem. Very glad to meet you, Claudem. Mieszkaniec Haiti, a nie tylko mieszkaniec Haiti, ale również Port-au-Prince od wielu, wielu lat. Claudem, could you tell me how long did you stay in Port-au-Prince?
All my life.
All my life, yeah.
Yes.
What is your age?
I'm 48 years old. 48 years I'm here.
Okay.
I'm living in Haiti.
How many children in your family?
I got two. My family?
Yeah.
Me, my wife, or my family?
All family, or cousin and so on.
That's a lot because I got my I got my uncle have like 24 kids.
Yeah.
Only him have 24 kids.
Yeah.
My mom 6.
They all.
My tent.
Yeah.
My tent is 6. Another one is 2. Another one is 2.
That's good.
It's about like more than 40.
All people your family lives in Haiti or outside Haiti?
No,
too?
you have a lot of go in Canada and United States.
How many people from Haiti working in Canada and other countries like United States?
And United States.
Yeah.
In Canada.
Okay. Could you tell me, in the 2010 years, the birthday, 12th of January, do you remember this day?
Yes, I remember this day because I was in Place Saint-Anne, behind the church Saint-Anne, and Saint-Anne falling down, broken, everything broken. Everybody go outside, have a lot of people die.
What about peoples?
A lot of people die. Yeah. A lot of people die.
I have this big tragedy because many children no parents after that.
Exactly, broken hands, broken legs. That's a big problem. And the country is no job. I don't know how to say it. It's nothing in that country.
What do you think about help from other country?
The help in the other country is good, but nobody have nothing because at the time the money come, like they help, the government take it. They're not giving nobody else.
Yeah,
taken for them.
Do you know then from Poland was one jack in a charity from Warsaw to Port-au-Prince?
I don't know. It's the first time, and I'm glad to know that.
This is special choice because this jet was the presidential jet.
Yes.
After it was, I think so, February, but on the 10th of April was the big catastrophe in Smolensk. That died 98 Polish person on the high position, like president, like his wife, and other very important person.
I don't know that story.
Yeah.
It's good to know. I'm glad to know. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, but what do you think about Polish who will be lives now other place than Port-au-Prince?
Polish is a good band. I love them.
Only men? A woman not good?
I love them. I love them.
Oh yeah.
Not men. I love them.
I love them. Yeah. Okay.
Because when I was young, I have a lot of friends. Like when I started, Richard, Ramon, Slovak. I have a lot of friends from Polish.
Because I tell you before, but very interesting on the CazaleTVPologne and Greece. Because this is a free place in Haiti where there lives people who had the grandfather, the Polish soldiers who became with the Napoleon army to kill the Asian people, because in this time was the rebel by the slave.
Okay.
Because
before I was a slave, because at the time you tell me when you say 1913, 1912, they are a slave because when you're here, they are a slave because they take people from Africa, bring them in Haiti. That's a long time ago. They are slaves.
Yeah.
Not you, but a lot of black people were slaves at that time.
When I visited a very nice museum of history, I have seen what was the life in the in Haiti when 18 people was like slave. Every time many cut it.
In the hands.
Cut it, I see it.
Cut in the legs, cut in the head.
It is.
That was incredible.
I understand what the slaves, 18 slaves, go to the rebel.
This is rebel, yes, this is rebel.
Do you remember this story? When
I was young, I was not really born.
May I present you the small story because it may be difficult to you to look it from internet.
No, because okay.
But in this, it was 1902, after start of rebellion in Haiti, the Napoleon. You know who is Napoleon?
Yes, I know.
Bonaparte, yeah.
I know a little bit the story, but not.
Yes, given to his brother 20,000 of soldiers.
Yes.
In this corps was 5,000 Polish soldiers. Why?
I don't know.
I tell you, in this time, the Poland wasn't independent country.
Okay.
We have cut by 3 countries, by Germany, by Austria, but by
Germany
Russia.
Germany was tough.
Yeah.
At that time you have a Hitler.
Oh yeah. This is next. Now I'm talking about 1920. But remember, when the Polish soldiers came here, just looking, we don't understand it.
Yeah, because
the Asian people wants who is independent. He was the freedom for Asian people. Why the French like the?
That's the problem. That's why I'm telling you, sir. That country will never change because if that be changed and that be never happen, you kill, like me, kill everybody, and put a letter on a new, change it.
You know, my friend, I continue my story about Polish history in Haiti. In this time when the Asian rebellion has the victory, I don't remember what was the chief of this rebellion. Do you remember his name?
No.
It doesn't matter. He set a decree. All people who hasn't Asian get out from 18 island. Get out. The French, the other,
yes.
Without Polish.
Yes.
Without Polish. Why? Because the half Polish people, about 2,000 soldiers, help to Asian. Because 2,000 Polish soldiers go to the board of the rebellion Asian and take together for the French soldier. From French.
Yes.
This is thanks, but it's very important. But the next step is because not all Polish people stay on the side of Asian. More stay to the end in the French.
Yes.
But Asian people understand because the clever people. This is maybe very difficult. Take a decision, go to the other side. Why?
Yes.
When it will be game to France, will be kill him. Like guillotine. You know what's guillotine?
No, I don't know, but I heard about that. But you don't have no choice. That country is not good. It's good, but it's not good because it's not working. It's no job. It's nothing. Yeah. You have to fight for working. Yeah. You have to fight for everything. So that don't work.
Could you tell me what is very difficult situation? Understand?
The difficult situation here.
What can
you do? Work. You need work.
Yeah,
and the security.
I understand.
And the security.
But my question is, the family. For example, you are the younger than have the children. What can you do without money? What can you do?
Nothing. Problem. It's problem. There's no work. That's the problem. And first, no work. Second, no security. Third, you don't know what to do. Because
what about
the kid crying, mama, talk, wow, because need money.
What about hospitality and medicine?
No hospitality. No hospitality.
You have pay every time?
Yes, you have to pay. Everything you have.
I see. This is a big price for medicine.
Yeah, man, it's no
very
work.
Big price.
The problem is not the money you only give to the doctor. It's no work. If it will work. Because you don't see, when you're standing there, sitting, you think you only sleep, you're tired. But if you're working, you will never tired.
You know. But I finished this story about Polish people. In this time, they stay in Haiti 500 soldiers because the more is killed by malaria, by other choice, by French, and so on. But you know, after that, these people, the government of the Haiti given the citizenship, given the land for these Polish soldiers, and given the helps. I don't know what, but this is very difficult to find details in the history. But you know, it was the three big places in Haiti. One is Cazale. This is near to the port of Prince, about 70 kilometers. But this was bad road. I joke, but the road will be made by Napoleon Bonaparte, but don't reconstruction of this time. Don't reconstruction.
Nothing.
But the second good place I have seen in few days, the Fonblanc. This is near the Cazale. Fonblanc. A third to the south of Haiti is the Gris. Because if you said me, no job, no work, no hospitality, no eating.
You got doctor,
no eating.
No eating, good. That's true. You got doctor, my doctor no have no work because no hospital. Because the government no pay.
And normally, how long is the lifetime for the men and women in Haiti?
Man, you can't say nothing because you can say 1 month, 1 year, 2 years, 17, 60.
It depends. It depends. Yeah, I understand. What the names of this place?
Pozwola.
Pozwola, yeah. What this hill?
This is all the president.
President's Hill?
President's
Hill. Thank you for this day.
No problem.
Thank you, my friend.
Thank you
I will be to the second interview in few days.
Okay.
I help you in my career because you know, the Polish and Asian has the two very important same choice. The first is Asian people and Polish people have this like this.
Yes.
And second,
by the same blood.
And second, the Polish the Polish established 1,050 years ago.
Yes.
In this time, the Poland, no colonization any other country, no colonization. Asian too, no colonization. But his story is short. Thank you, my friend. Could you say the small greetings to the Polish children and Polish people?
Ok, bon, moi polonais fait appel pour moi. Dans mes petits, je rappelle les amis, tout le bagage. Alors, moi maintenant, je vous aime. Que Dieu vous bénisse. Amen. Alléluia.
Merci.